49(2) of Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of Goa Legislature Assembly, I seek postponement of Anstar LAQ question number 36 by Ganesh Gaonkar and question number 27 to the next assembly session, since the replies are voluminous and involves hundreds of institutions and all departments.
आता फुडें दुखलेलो तारांकीत प्रश्न नंबर 2 Alex Reginald. Speaker sir, I may be permitted to ask question number 2A, postpone start question number 2A. Alright, which sir? Speaker sir, I had asked a specific question, and the question was total number of vacant posts in each department. I have got an answer which is wrong. The answer should have been in each department, but he has given me the total number of vacancies. Can you clarify on that?
Question विचारलो.
Postponed question असेल तो.
Speaker sir, honorable MLA जो प्रश्न विचारला आसा ताणे total number of vacant posts in each department 2085 पोस्ट आसा वेगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटात.
Each department.
डिपार्टमेंट मागले सर.
Speaker sir, I had asked the question which is department wise, and I want to ask another supplement in the meantime. Yeah. Speaker sir, that how did he arrive at that figure? What was the percentage which he has come with the figure, and on what basis he decided on that figure?
Speaker sir, जी 2003 सालांची सर्वे केल्ली आणि त्या सर्वेनुसार जी पॉप्युलेशन गोंयाक मेळ्ळी की 1,65,000 आणि त्याप्रमाणे त्या सर्वेनुसार जी गोंयची पॉप्युलेशन आसली त्याप्रमाणे 12% की पॉप्युलेशनुसार की ही सर्वे 2003च्या सर्वेनुसार 12% पॉप्युलेशन झाले आसा आणि त्यानुसार जे पोस्ट जे तुमी दाखयल्ले आसात जे डिपार्टमेंट आसा लिस्ट आसा ते तुका हांव दिता म्हजें आसा.
Speaker sir, I have asked him how he arrived at the figure. He said it is 2003.
Yeah.
Now we are in 2012. Yeah. What is your plan? Whether you want to have the same thing, whether you want to change it, what about the census? Because I have asked specific questions about census. Can't reply now. A department and te department football करतात. Because here the issue is next how he will arrive at the next figure. What is the census? What is the whole?
Speaker sir.
Speaker sir, census does not come under ST department. Census जो प्रश्न आशिल्लो जाल्यार प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंट नाल्यार होम डिपार्टमेंटात क्वेश्चन विचारले जाल्यार उत्तर दिवंक शकतले. ST department cannot go into the census data, but for the information of MLA, वो अजून डेटा सेन्ससा कडच्यान अवेलेबल ना.
Because if that census details are not available, see why census is important is because you have to arrive at a figure. Speaker sir, you have to arrive at a figure. Once you arrive at a figure, you decide what is the percentage of reservations.
Speaker sir,
how to arrive at a figure?
Honorable MLA confuse करता between the reality figure and a notified percentage. As of now, government has accepted a certain norms decided on 2003.
Yeah.
That is what? Based on that data, government has notified 12% of the seats reserved for ST. आता census येतोच government will reconsider that percentage. But just because census says, suppose tomorrow census says it is 13%, it automatically does not switch to 13%. Government will have to notify it after due consideration. Since the data is not available, that question becomes irrelevant.
Speaker sir, every question is relevant or irrelevant is not the issue, but it is an important issue which I have raised.
There is no data.
Yeah, but what has happened? There is no data. The answer is no data. So what steps now now we are here, vacant posts are 2000 whatever. what is the next criteria that will be awarded? What is the next criteria which will be adopted?
स्पीकर सर की 2003 सालाक जी सर्वे जाल्ली ती सर्वे सारकी ना ही या संदर्भात जे ऑब्जेक्शन त्या वेळाचे आम्ही दिल्ले दवरले आणि त्यानंतर आम्ही जे तुमचे सरकार आशिल्लें त्या सरकार समोर प्रत्येक वेळाचे हो विशय आम्ही दवरलो हे सारखे ना सारखे करून घेयात पण आमकां खबर आसा ऑनरेबल MLA मान्य करतले की फाटल्या सरकाराच्या कालावधीक फाटले 5 वर्सां पूर्णपणे ह्या विशयाचेर दुर्लक्ष केल्ले गेल्ले आसा हाची जाणीव तुमकां आसा आणि त्यामुळे की परत रिसर्वे करपाची आमी प्रपोजल आशिल्लें आणि ह्या रिसर्वेनुसार की गोंयाक एक्झॅक्ट आमकां जे पॉप्युलेशन जी फिगर दिल्ली आसा ती सारकी ना आमी सगळे मान्य करता त्यामुळे आमी आमच्या सरकारान एक ठरयल्लें आसा की ट्रायबल पॉप्युलेशनची परत रिसर्वे जातली आणि रिसर्वेनुसार बाबा कितले एक्झॅक्ट पॉप्युलेशन आसा त्यानुसार आमी फुडें वतले आणि हे आमी की आमच्या सरकार एक 3-4 महिने जाल्ले आसा हे तात्काळ डिसिजन फुडल्या कांय दिसांनी घेतले आमी
स्पीकर सर एकाच लागून विचारलें बिकॉज लास्ट टाइम चर्चा जाताली फिगर सारकें ना म्हण फिगर सारकें ना म्हण चर्चा जाताली म्हण हांवें विचारलें आय वॉन्टेड हिम टू आन्सर बिकॉज एवरी टाइम असेंब्लीन आतां वेन ही वील डू इट and he says that there are unin post गेलो नाही आम्ही प्रिवियस गव्हर्नमेंटान पोस्ट गेले ना म्हण कितले पोस्ट सध्या अपॉइंट केला आहे त्या गेल्या गव्हर्नमेंटान अपॉइंट केलाय काय नाही
बिकॉज
5 वर्सांक
हांव त्या पोस्टाक म्हणला जी गोंयाक जी पर्संटेज लायल्ली 12% नुसार आमी जेन्ना आवाज उठयले तुमकां लक्षांत घालें अरे बाबा पोस्ट भरपाक मेळटा म्हणून पण त्यानुसार कांय जाण भरून घेतले पण बाकीची रिसर्वे करपाक जाय जे अन्य विशय आसले ते विशय केन्नाच हात लायले ना एक पोस्ट भरपाचो विशय सोडलो जाय स्पीकर सर बाकीचो विशय खंयचेच विशय वेवस्थीत हाताळले गेले नासले आमकां खबर आसा ज्या तरेन हांगा पोस्ट भरले गेले की त्यामुळे आमी दाखोवन दितकच तुमकांय ते मेळ्ळे न्ही रे की त्यानुसार ते काम केलें तुमी की ताजे बरोबर आनी खंयचेच काम करूं ना
स्पीकर सर वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन that when how long he will take at least and kel म्हणले is a big thing कित्याक रे कांय केला म्हणटात न्ही एनीवे वन मोर थिंग केन्ना पासून करतलो
स्पीकर सर आमी क्लियर एश्युरन्स दिल्लें आसा की फुडल्या 4 महिन्या भितर हे सगळे बॅकलॉग वॅकन्सी आसा त्यो फिलअप जातल्यो
backlog speaker sir forget the reservation because the important is also how much percentage because he said they sarki na he's not answered it properly. I've asked him speaker sir I'm on my next speaker sir 1 second speaker sir let me make my point let me make my point speaker sir let me make my point speaker sir he said that the reservation is not proper when you have a different discrepancy on the number of seats number of kitli high the percentage then how can you say that आपण उमके दिसान करतलो ते हा म्हण आय वांट एक
MLA ज्या 5 वर्षांच्या कालावधीक तुम्ही ज्यो गोष्टी करपाक शकले ना त्यो आमी 2 महिन्याच्या कशा अपेक्षा करू शकतो
हाय म्हणा ना 2 मिनिट तू कितले टाइम लागता काय
स्पीकर सर म्हाका दिसता ऑनरेबल MLA इज ट्रायिंग टू क्रिएट एन कॉन्सेप्ट that is not correct. You should realize that government functions by notified percentages. Perception म्हणजे असा ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टराचे असा की perception wise that figure may not be the perfect figure but since when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was Prime Minister for the first time in the country a scheduled tribe list was amended, schedule was amended in which 3 of the communities were included first time after independence in 2003 9th January 2003 Atal Bihari Vajpayee's government included notified 3 communities from Goa in the schedule for the first time in the country केन्नाच जावन नासले ओरिजिनल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आहा तें अजून तशेंच आहा हे फर्स्ट टाइम जाले unluckily the census had already taken place in 2001 therefore Goa census figures of 2001 shows almost 0% of ST because the 3 communities were not ST communities in 2001. So government did an quick exercise. Based on the quick exercise, we found that it is approximately 12%. We also know that there are errors in it. But we had to arrive at certain year to give justice to ST. So we notified 12% as reservation. The vacancies which has arisen is out of this notification. They will be filled as per the vacancy for that year. When this new notification comes, for the future, the number will change as per the new notification, not for the past.
आम्ही विचारपाक जाय.
स्पीकर सर, 2003 जेन्ना जो एसटी समाज आहा वो वेगळो जावच्या पयलीं सगळे ओबीसीत आसले आनी ह्या वेळार 2000 पोस्ट आसले. म्हाका मिनिस्टराक विचारपाक जाय, हातूंतले ओबीसी पासत जे पोस्ट आसले ते खंय गेले, हातूंतले कितले भरले?
हो विषय वेगळो आसा की स्पेसिफीक म्हाका दिसता
पूण ते गायब कशे जाले? ओबीसीचे पोस्ट आसले न्हू.
ओबीसी सोशल मिनिस्टर विचारल्यार मेळटा उत्तर.
तो उत्तर दिवंक शकतलो. ओबीसी 27 आशिल्ली पळय, म्हायतीक सांगता, 27 आशिल्ली पर्सेंटी 19.5 जाली आनी 7.5% एसटीक शिफ्ट जाले इमिजिएटली एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स ताज्या नंतर 7.5 12 केले बेस्ड ऑन द सेन्सस. कारण तो पर्यंत एसटी हे ओबीसी नाशिल्ली.
फुडलो प्रश्न मान्य श्री प्रताप सिंग राणे.
Question 8B.
Speaker sir, answer is as per cyclist.
Minister for Tribal Welfare.
म्हाका येता तो. हां? तू कोणता मार्क केला?
किती आला?
आम्ही देऊ जाय ते उत्तर.
सोशल वेलफेअर तो.
सोशल वेलफेअर.
धनगर रे.
धनगर.
The question is whether the government will consider to pass on all the benefits given to the tribals of the Dhangar community, pending recognition of that community as a tribe. Mr. Speaker, answer is, sir, accept the benefits given to the scheduled tribe in reservation for employment and admissions in educational institutions. If we want to bring up these people, government recognizes that this small group of people in Goa, called the Dhangars and Gaulis, are the most backward community, even most backward than any other tribal group. They live in the hills and they look after cattle. Will the government consider taking a delegation and whatever the questionnaires have come back from Government of India, because we have also made moves, for government earlier also has made moves to include this community, which is very small. There are about 8,000-10,000 people. I would like to know, why not give them the benefits in admissions to the educational institutions? Because if they are educated, that is the only way they can come up. So I would like to know, why not give them this benefit?
Speaker sir, धनगर कम्युनिटीक जो स्टेटस दिवपाचो आसा, आतां आमचे माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगले की हो कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल अमेंडमेंट जावपाक जाय, जो 2003 जाल्लो. आनी जेन्ना आमचे माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यान बजेट स्पीचान आपले विचार दवरले, para 58. Sir, it is an undisputed fact that the Dhangar community is the most backward community in the state. However, due to some technical reasons, they could not be conferred ST status, while promising that this issue could be vigorously followed with the Government of India. In the meanwhile, I wish to extend all the facilities and benefits to Dhangar community on par with the other ST communities in the state. As a Dhangar community